Co-op, bitch.
And a friend of mine, Adam Blackstone, who's like Mr. Music Director now. It's like I'm proud of him, but he just he does all the award shows now, and and he's like Maroon 5 music director. He was Justin Timberlake's music director. Rihanna, he put this last show together.
So explain to the people, music director, real quick.
Music director is the guy who basically puts your live show together.
Okay.
He makes sure he picks the musicians, he picks the background singers. He doesn't get into the choreography, but usually just makes sure the music. He between him and the artist, they come up with the set list should be, like which songs go where, et cetera, et cetera. Okay. So yeah, he was a music director, and initially, Maroon 5 wanted Questlove to come in and music direct and help them put this tour together. But Adam is a close friend of Quest. Quest just had gotten Jimmy Fallon. This is 6 years ago. So Adam, they were looking for a keyboard player / singer. Adam called me. He was like, I only know one guy, basically, that sing and play. And so I basically canceled like the last 3 days of my tour and went to L.A. And I mean, one of the best cancellation situations I ever, what I'm saying? So I went out there, man. They wanted me to play one song. We vibed so good that it was like, it went from one song that it was like a jam session that we had.
So you went for the whole group?
Yeah. It was me and the whole band. What I loved about them, and love still, I mean, because Maroon has been a band since they were like in 8th grade. They were a punk rock band first, and then got into Stevie Wonder and mixed they rock with they soul, and that's where Maroon 5 was born. I went up there and played with them. They had never auditioned anybody because they've been a band for years and years, and I had never. That's my first audition ever in my life. So, because any other thing I had gotten before was just like, word of mouth. They like, no, PJ. Yeah, I know what he does. I ain't really never have to audition. So it was kind of awkward for both of us. So I guess the way we got comfortable was we just played. And I just knew that I had it.
Co-op, bitch.